Can lie down while I'm talking because my don't. Uy, pagadian man ako sa tukuran. Malapit lang 53. Really? You're 53. It's 11:27. I must go to work because I'm dusty in my emergency. I have to speak another day with you. Bye bye. Thank you. Kelly's David, I hope you join my membership. Someday you can join my membership. I see, Mom, I smile and look. Who? You see? Really don't mind. Forget about it. That's me. You see the picture. It's me. When I was in college, the clothes more. Nang lahat baktin mong baktin. Isa lang. Matagal kasi akong nabaon. Isa lang ang nagawa namin. Because I'm always smile. I think we can spend time together. Oh, really? Spend time together. Share live. We share live, guys. We share live. Mag-votes tayo, ha. Start votes. No votes? Oh, yes. One. Thank you, Titlay. Titlay. The clothes more. Oh, thank you. Oh, nilagay niya talaga sa amin. Ano ko, eh? Hello, 60 viewers. Yun lang nasa tabi mo. Ilang taon ka ba lang? Oh no. Isa lang talaga. 36. 35 ako nabuntis. So, 36 ako nag-anak. I raised my child at the age of 36. The clothes mo? I'm really like you. Really, what you like me most? My big nose? My... What's... What about? My eyes? Hello, Adrian Alex. Thank you for coming back. Guys, if you want to support me, you can click my button beside my subscription. There's a join membership. You can join to support me more. Not just watching on live, but you are membering on my channel. Like everything about thank you, ready. Everything. But I'm fat. I'm not sexy as you think. No, I'm sleeping. Sorry. George, why you... Where's info? Please share, guys. Mom can stand. Yes, I can stand. That's all. Yeah, I'm sleepy. Yes, it's 11:31. I sleep at 12. I wait to you guys to see my live every night. I lost my viewers last time. I get my viewers about 500 every night. 500, 600, 200. But now, getting down because it happened to my channel. I was demonetized for 3 months last March and then back in June 25. Next dance, mom. Late na.